Google Slides make words outlined. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Windows on your computer and make sure you are on the main desktop screen. Next, move to the search bar and type Google Chrome into it. When the search results appear, click to open Google Chrome on your computer so that the browser launches properly. After the browser launches, move your cursor to the address bar at the top of the window. Type Google Slides in the address bar and press Enter on your keyboard to search for the website. From the search results that appear, click on the official Google Slides website to ensure you are accessing the correct platform. Once the website loads successfully, make sure you're logged into your Google account so you can create and edit presentations. When you're logged in, the Google Slides homepage will appear, showing your existing presentations and template options. On this page, you can either create a new blank presentation or open an existing presentation example from a list. For this tutorial, we will start with a blank presentation to demonstrate the process from the beginning. Click the Blank Presentation option to create a new slide deck. Once the new presentation opens, you will see the editing interface where you can add and customize content under slides. To make words outlined in Google Slides, move your cursor toward the top section of the screen where the main menu options are located. Carefully hover your cursor over the menu bar until you see the different editing menus. From these menus, click the Insert menu to open additional options for adding elements to your slide. After clicking it, a pop-up menu will appear showing different items that you can insert into the presentation. From the list of available options, select Word Art, which is represented by capital letter A icon. After you click this option, a dialog box will appear on the slide. Inside this dialog box, type the word or phrase you want to create using Word Art. Once you've finished typing your word in the text box, press Enter on your keyboard to confirm it. Immediately after pressing Enter, your outline text will appear on the slide. You can then customize the appearance by changing the text color and adjusting the border color if necessary.